My name is Siti Nawakintawati Muhammad Subuh. Now my matric is 11 DKL 18 S1038. For this video, we will explain all the things about lift. Lift. It is a platform or housing machinery that conveys people to a different level. It is a facility that usually have in a high building. Lift can be described as an endless bell with a scope attached. Even though lift giving pleasure to the community, it still needed maintenance. To prevent damage happen, especially while in use, and can cause a person to get stuck. People always thought that lift and elevator are the same thing. The opposite is lift and elevator has a difference. An elevator has totally enclosed cup and requires a shaft. A lift typically has open cup, except a 42 inches panel on the side of the platform. Lift generally more basic and lower cost than elevator. Because the difference of the cost, elevator often seen in a big hotel, mall, or luxury company. So, that's the explanation of lift for me. The other I will pass to my team member.
Okay, my part is a function of lift. Okay, the function of lift is a different, which is the function depends on types of lift you use. Okay, there are 4 types lift. The first one is hospital lift, the second one is passenger lift, the third one is good lift, and the fourth one is panoramic lift. Okay, the first is hospital lift. Okay, the hospital lift designed able to bring a patient bed and passenger which is visitor in hospital. Okay, the second is they have 2 gates in front and back. Okay, the function of 2 gate is to transport patient from hospital ward or operating room. Okay, the second is passenger lift. Okay, the function of passenger lift used to carry passenger assembled in the office building, hotel, and flat or apartment. Okay, the third is goods lift. Okay, the goods lift function is used to transport goods in the weight load of 5 tons to 20 tons. Okay, the second, hardy construction that can use the forklift to transport goods from the truck to the lift. Okay, the third is lift car must be designed to hold the largest load allowed. Okay, the fourth is panoramic lift. Okay, panoramic lift more than a unique shape than other types, and the function is to attract a visitor to come the place. Okay, the second, the visitor use the lift can see the view in the building.
My name is Nurul Hanis binti Abdul Halim, matric number 11 DKA 18 F1048, and I am from DKA 5A. Lifts are generally powered by electric motors that either drive traction cables or counterweight systems like a hoist or pump hydraulic fluid to raise a cylindrical piston like a jack. There are 4 types of lift, which is electric lift, hydraulic lift, handicap lift, and fire lift. First is electric lift. It's a common type used today. It uses electric lift cable to lift the elevator car with the weight, and movement is the catalyst action. And it also uses the traction with the motor. Thus, motor room on top of lift shaft will increase the load of the building structure and need lift wells and maintenance rooms near the engine room. Second is hydraulic lift. Hydraulic lift use hydraulic principles, which is moved by the action of steel plunger lift and installed under the car. It is not suitable for low-rise building and insufficient space. Lastly, shaft area is smaller than electric lift. Third is handicap lift. Handicap lift are for people with disability who use wheelchair or people who unable to use ordinary crowded lift. It is installed mounted on the stair parallel to the ladder. Fourth is fire lift. Building over 60-foot tall height are required to provide fire lift. This lift controlled by a system back on in emergencies.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amiruddin Hamdan. My matrix number is 11DKA 18F1098. So I'm going to share about other similar things to lift. The first one is crane. A crane is a type of machine generally equipped with a hoist rope, wire ropes or chains, and shifts that can be used both to lift and lower materials and to move them horizontally. It is mainly used for lifting heavy things and transporting them to other places. The device uses one or more simple machines to create mechanical advantage and thus move loads beyond the normal capability of a human. Cranes are commonly employed in the transport industry for the loading and unloading of freight, in the construction industry for the movement of materials, and in the manufacturing industry. The second one is escalator. An escalator is a moving staircase which carries people between floors of a building. It consists of a motor-driven chain of individually linked steps on a track which cycle on a pair of tracks which keep them horizontal. Escalators are often used around the world in places where lifts would be impractical, or they can be used in conjunction with them. Principal areas of usage include department stores, shopping malls, airports, transit system, railways, railroad stations, convention centers, hotels, arenas, stadiums, and public buildings. Escalators have the capacity to move large numbers of people. The last one is conveyor. A conveyor belt is the carrying medium of a belt conveyor system, often shortened to belt conveyor. A belt conveyor system is one of many types of conveyor system. A belt conveyor system consists of two or more pulleys, sometimes referred to as drums, with a closed loop of carrying medium, the conveyor belt that rotates about them. One or both of the pulleys are powered, moving the belt and the materials on the belt forward. The powered pulley is called the drive pulley, while the unpowered pulley is called the idler pulley. There are two main industrial classes of belt conveyors: those in general material handling, such as those moving boxes along inside a factory, and bulk material handling, such as those used to transport large volumes of resources and agricultural materials such as grain, salt, coal, ore, sand, overburden, and more.